Buongiorno a tutti! Thanks for joining me again in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and before we get started I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel on YouTube if you like these videos. It would mean a lot to me. Okay, back to the cooking. Today I'm going to make a Korean Sicilian fusion dish. That sounds a little bit crazy, but it's not. It's something very simple. I'm going to make a Korean style omelette, which is souffled. You beat the egg white before you add it to the yolk, so that when it cooks with the lid on, it does fluff up and set into a kind of souffle. I'm going to make it say Sicilian by adding some salted ricotta, a little bit of sun-dried tomato and mint. That's my favorite flavor combination for eggs, and hey presto, you have a Sicilian Korean fusion dish. I hope it turns out good, and just maybe you'll have a new way to enjoy eggs. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need a couple of eggs, a sun-dried tomato, a little fresh mint, some nutmeg, a little butter, salted ricotta and some rucola to serve on the side.